Hey fam, how are you all doing? This is an unplanned vlog. I don't know, but it's an unplanned vlog, but I feel that why not for you guys? Like, why don't I just vlog this for you guys? So in today's video we are going to decorate my room. Are you ready? So yeah, I'm going to decorate my room, and as we all know, UTAG has suspended the strike. And if you didn't know, UTAG is University Teachers Association Ghana. They went on strike because they were complaining of their salaries and things. So, and it has been like a month that school has been suspended, but this week we're going to resume school, and I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy, but I'm not happy for the UTAG people because I think government should hear them out. They deserve better. UTAG deserves better. So as I said, we're going to decorate this room. Here is my room, and that is my bed. Here is my roommate's bed, and basically we're going to start by touching up the dirty parts of the wall. Some parts of the wall are very dirty, although it was painted not long ago by the painters of the hall, but I still see that there are some dents on the wall, so I stole my mother's paint. Let's get right into today's video. See ya. So I realized there were some stains on the wall here, I think at the top, and then never even here. There's also another stain here. I'm just coming to touch up the dirty parts of the walls, and then like apply some paint there so that everything will become nice. Yeah. Earlier, I went to China Mall to get a few items for decor. Like, you guys, you don't like this room? No, tell me. Just look at this, a work of art. Eledumare's creation has created. You're all invited, eh? I can get an extra pillow so that you can perch me, okay? So yeah, this is my little decor for my corner. After we decorate the whole room, I'm going to let you see how it's going to look like. I'm thinking of putting my picture here because I'm the owner of the space. And yeah, media. Mia Kwangu. So yeah, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. So I haven't fully moved in. Some of my things are still home. So I just came to lay my bed, and then yes. So I'm going to tell you guys how I got this room and then where it can be found, and then I'll take you to a tour, like a tour around the whole place. Yeah, it's a flat, so I'll take you around in my next video. Just let me know if you are interested. If you're not interested, then I don't film it, since you have enjoyed seeing my corner. I don't know, I'm so much in love with this corner. Like, I think I have to get a first class because after all this, and I don't pass that, then what? Waiting we gain because I needed this space to study well. So I for study well, yeah. So wish me luck for the semester. We're going to vlog and have fun. A whole lot of content I've got for you this semester. See you again in another video.